Today we are going to study about extraction of iron. So for the extraction of iron, we are using coke, limestone and hematite as raw material. Here from this particular structure, we called the blast furnace, we are adding hot air from its bottom. Then that hot air will react with the coke in this mixture. Then coke plus oxygen, it will produce carbon dioxide. Then this carbon dioxide is further going to react with the coke. Then due to the reaction between carbon dioxide and the coke, it will produce carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide is having a oxygen requirement. Therefore, it can act as a reducing agent. Then this carbon monoxide going to react with hematite and it collects the oxygen from the hematite and produce liquid iron plus carbon dioxide. So then when we are taking the hematite from the ground, there are some impurities. Those are silicon dioxide and aluminium trioxide. Therefore, getting these impurities mixed with the liquid iron is a problem. To refrain from that problem, what we are going to do, we are adding limestone to here. And since there is very high temperature within the blast furnace, that calcium carbonate get reacted, that means it get dissociated into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Then this calcium oxide going to further react with silicon dioxide and it produces calcium silicate. Again, it is going to react with aluminium trioxide and it's produce calcium aluminate. Then the calcium silicate and the calcium aluminate all together, we call it as slag. Slag is less dense than the molten iron. Therefore, it floats on the molten iron. So, actually this is very valuable. The reason is, if this molten iron is going to expose for the oxygen, it could further react with the oxygen and again produce the oxide of iron. But having slag at the top of the molten iron layer, it can prevent the reaction between this molten iron and the oxygen as well. So this is one of the section that we have to consider for your O-level, so which is very important. And here the blast furnace, the walls of blast furnace is made out of bricks, which is resistance to the heat as well. So first of all, we have to know how to produce iron, and then after how to remove the impurities from the liquid iron as well. So these are the all that we have to study about the extraction of iron.